Hey, what's up? I'm Bob. Today we're going to be working on the ML55. Let's get into it. So we're going to be jacking it up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's big tires, man. Perfect spot to see it. There's where our boot is got a pinhole in it or something. It's not even that big of a hole, but still pretty fresh. Still fresh green grease coming out here. Grease is still pretty good. Not going to put it back in though. So we need to get this thing off. I'll just go, ow. Here's our nut in question. 36 millimeter axle nut. 360 foot-pounds, I think, or I'll tell you in a second what the real one is, but it's around there. Now I got to put the wheel back on, tighten the bolts on, put the car back down just enough so I can go in here and loosen up on that axle nut. Oh, yeah. Oh. Take this thing out. Ooh. Okay, it's loose. It's loose. We're good. We're putting it back up now. Oh, all right. Recap. We jacked it up, took the wheel off, took the center cap off. Then we put the wheel back on. Then we put it back down on the ground, and then we took the nut off. There probably could have been a way we could just take the center cap off with keeping the wheel on. But now we're jacking it back up again. Take both the wheels off, take both the tie rods off, and do that CV boot by taking the axle out. All right, we got the jacks right here. They're good. This isn't really doing anything. I'm just leaving it here. Hey, all right, we're gonna be taking off the tie rod end. See here, we got our tie rod end. Not so good. We can see right in there. Not the best. Oh, shish. I'm gonna need a bigger freaking socket. That's why I like the Ryobi tools. All right, so a few dedicated whacks, and try not to hit anything else, of course. Oh, there we go. All right, nice. Here we go. I need a sharper screwdriver. Gotcha. Smaller, skinnier one, but still with some length on it. Ah, thank you. So here we are, going in left-handed here. Gonna break the clip because I don't need this clip anymore. Crazy, huh? Now I'm gonna move the boot a little bit, try to scooch the boot so I can get more access to the dang ass nut, which is right here. You see that big bad boy? See if my crescent will fit over that thing. Oh yeah, I got the good crescent. We're loosening this bad boy up, and here, you ready for the great reveal? Ba-gang! Oh! That was just the tie rod. Here's the old one. I can count 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threads. Right here, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's on my count. Looks pretty dang similar. I think that's good enough to go down the street to get an alignment. We need some torque specs on these. Okay, threading in nicely. All right, we might be getting close. Let's see if we can torque it. Got it on 55 Newton meters, even though we're in America. Okay. All right. 57. So we tighten up on the inner tie rod end. Got our hose clamps both snug on the boot. This thing's got 50 Newton meters on it. This thing's got 55. Everything looks straight. This is pretty much the same length as the old one, and brand new boot. Should be good. Take a 22 millimeter socket because this is an ML55 AMG. Gonna loosen up this. Gonna already loosened up this, and we're gonna punch this thing out. Everything's gonna swing over this way, and we're gonna pull out the axle. Oh yeah, that's a 19. No. I'm gonna spray some juice on it. I think it is coming out. Oh, whole thing's coming down. All right, here we go. We're out. This thing should just come out. Oh, ooh, I got it right here, man. Hey, inspection time. Inspection time. Give me some Vita Coco. Okay. And it's just going to pop right off here. I'm using a brass punch just so I don't mess anything.
Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch. Like,
hey.
Whoa, hey. Oh, you know what? Whole thing goes in like that too. There we go. Ready for application and clamping. This style clamp. How about you guys? You guys know anything about this style clamp? Never really seen one. But I'm using it now. Once I get that like that. Okay, yeah, you just hit it with a big hammer. We're good. Oh, shit. I gotta hold on to this thing. Ha! Look at that! Whoa!
No way.
Yeah. Trying to stick all my grease in the middle. Okay, well, it's a lot of grease.
You mentioned all those early classic blues women, but you also say it goes decade by decade. I'm wondering what.
Sit at home packing my bearings all night.
Yeah.
It's time to get this thing on. Ready?
Ready, man.
And then we're gonna hit it this. I think we just got over the ringy ding. Huh! That pretty much looks like where it was originally.
Crazy.
Yeah, I felt it shunk in.
Nah.
Uh-huh.
Known internationally as a great jazz player, that she will get down into the swamp and feel everything she's got.
Cool. All right, sun's going down. We got both boots on our axle. Axle's all good, full of grease. Just gotta put it back together. It just shunk in, cause I can't. Oh. Now let me get. Oh, it went in. I got it. I meant to do that. $19 mil on the control arm to the steering knuckle. So we got one brand spanking new. Grab this thing right here. Pop that back there. Okay. Is it 55 for keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Wait. Tie rod to steering knuckle, 55 Newton meters. All right. We could stick something in here, I guess. Just try to hold it as good as we can. All right. So we finished everything on the ML. It's all done. Car went to the alignment shop. It's all straight. And that's it. If you guys saw anything that I didn't do right or have any other comments, please leave them down below. Any torque specs or random other things that I should have done, would love to know. If you want to see me work on more cool cars, like other stuff like Maseratis and other Mercedes, please subscribe. And yeah. We'll be back with more content very soon.